cost center report.
So, no, this is different.
Okay.
Basically, what is happening is I create a PO in SRM. Okay, while creating a PO, I put in cost center as F2100 in the PO.
Okay.
So let's say I did this on January 1st. On March 1st, I changed the cost center's functional area from 1010 to 1020.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say I do a goods receipt here on first. Okay, so
Okay.
in my financial document, it goes to cost center F2100 and function area, old function area 1010. On March 1st, I made the cost center change. The function area change within the cost center.
Okay. Okay.
So I am doing a goods receipt again later. I expect SAP to post to 10 F2100 and function area 1020, not 1010.
Okay.
Because on March 1st, the active function area on the master record is 1020, not 1010.
Okay.
And this works perfectly in all other scenarios. If it's not an SRM, if I just post a recurring entry, if I post, I don't know, if I post depreciation posting or whatever, wherever in any other financial document posting scenario, the original table will only store the cost center value, and while posting to accounting, it will determine the function area from the master record.
Okay.
It works perfectly in all other scenarios. However, in PO scenario,
Which scenario?
A PO, purchase order. In purchase order scenario, when I create the purchase order in EKKN table, along with the cost center, it is storing function area too.
Okay.
Now, because EKKN already has function area, when I post a GR on March 1st, April 1st, December 1st, this value is not letting it to rederive.
Okay.
Basically SAP says it will only rederive if the source field is blank. Now, source field is not blank, so it is not rederiving. It is just posting to 1010 wherever.
Okay.
At that time, we asked SAP. SAP gave us 3-4 baddies. Ram worked with you to implement those baddies. One of them is like function area rederive every time, something like that.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
We implemented that baddie, and at least in our testing, it seemed fine. But in production, we still have issues where the purchase order has previous function area, and that is what is posting to accounting. So that is our root cause, and we will look into the root cause at a later point in time, like next month for March release.
Okay.
Now, as a workaround, what SAP told was, if you have these kind of scenarios, I'm giving you a custom program, which is the car underscore FAGL, whatever it is, and it is saying, run this program, it will change the function area from 1010 to 1020 by rederiving it from the tables.
Okay.
So we put in, or for every month end, users run this, and this standard derivation, whatever you see, means derived from the master data.
Okay.
So for every month, I will run it only for that month, and for that month, it will update the records for me.
Okay.
So now you saw me changing it on the cost center F2100. So now you will see. Okay. So now you will see for all these documents, SAP wants to change from 1020 to 1010.
Okay.
However, as you saw, this is a standard SAP derived, given program, right? We didn't do anything. We just uh, assigned a T code to it. So this is
Okay.
ugly. The problem is whenever we do these changes are only affected in ECC system. I mean, we are doing a database change. So there is no change document for this. BI can't grab this.
Okay.
So whenever users run this program, they download this, they format it in Excel, and send it over to BI to update the function area in BI as well.
Okay.
So the users are not happy with whatever this is showing.
Okay.
So they just want it to convert to ALV so that in ALV I can just do whatever I want. So for ALV, as you see, there are two views. One is the entry view and another is the new GL view.
Yeah.
What I want to do is put this as a selection option.
Okay. It's already there, I think.
Let's see, Tanya. You can't decide if
there are two checkboxes, but the functionality, I don't know how it is working. The details list and details only change line items.
No, this is different, right? This is display only change line items. You want to display them only if there is a change. Earlier it was showing all 1020 postings. Basically what that does is, if I didn't change the function area from 1010 to 1020, if I check this checkbox, it would show nothing because nothing changed. Now that I made the 1010 to 1020, it changes. Basically this entry view and new GL view, it updates two different tables. That's the only part. So the new GL view, it is updating the FAGL Flex T table, Flex A table. And entry view, as you see, it's updating BSEC.
Okay.
So one thing we know, it updates both the tables. So I just want to take away the new GL view. Either if it is easier for you, provide a radio button. If it's not easier, just hard code it to show only the entry view.
Okay. The radio button as in whenever he clicks entry view, that should display entry view, otherwise new GL view.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it's not easy, just go ahead with entry view. And of course, messages display in, I don't know, messages box or something. And this, I want it in ALV, all these 5 columns.
Okay.
So that I can just export this to Excel and send it over to PI.
Okay. What about the upper box, the header box?
No, I don't want it.
Okay.
This one, right?
Yeah, so that one and the messages box also.
Messages, I want it displayed, but in a separate button or something, or as a separate screen when I hit back. I don't want it to be mixed with the ALV because I don't know if two ALVs.
Okay, can I provide it as a radio button again? I mean.
Sure, yeah. Why not?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So we will basically give this as a workaround for them. And once we move this to production, we will work on why the BADI implementation is not working for SRMPers.
Okay. But do you want me to change the program or create a copy of the program?
No, go ahead, change it. I mean, it's a SAP given program. We always have the backup code with SAP.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions, Saurabh? Hey, one more thing. When you run this, it's only going to run in test run. I'm pretty sure for real scenario, I mean, for this program testing, you don't want to do anything else. But if you need to run it in update mode, you need to do equal to update in the command bar. then it will show the uh, other checkboxes. Then you would uncheck the test run.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and this is the one you were talking about, force correction to new GL tables, Chaitanya, but this is something different. This again is not related to displaying either entry view or new GL view.
Okay.
This is just if I have a problem in updating table, are we asking the system to go ahead and force update it, or throw out the error and display only or update only one view?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, Chaitanya.
But how do I test it? Because I'm overwriting the existing program. So how do I know whatever the output?
You can tell this is ECD 130, right? So go ahead and test it on F2100 cost center. I changed the I changed this, right? So
Okay, sure.
I mean, for changes, you can go to KS02. I mean, Saurabh is there to help you also, but you can in KS02, once you change it back from 1020 to 1010 and run the program, it should show nothing. If you change it from, if you run it as is, it should show the existing documents.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I'll take help of Saurabh if I need something.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Any question for you, Saurabh?
Nothing, Priyatam.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.